Now we're here.
Of course.
Galing mo English mo.
Oo, ang haba, di ba na English ko? Relate ka sa English ko.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ng bahay ni Kuya. Alam mo na yung mga gusto nating marating sa sa kanyang individual na pangarap. And happy ako kasi, di ba dati, pangarap mo lang na makakanta sa mga kanto, mga concert, and then, look at now! Dito ka na at kinakanta mo na yung kanta mo sa mga people and nagustuhan naman yung kanta mo. Gusto ko yung yung MIMS, make it make sense. Oh, la, 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 make it make. Ay, sorry. Sorry ha? Sorry. Guess kita.
Sure. My message for you, it's crazy how we're here now. We didn't think we were going to get here. But thank you so much for that. I'm always going to be supporting you. Because she's such a great supporter as well. She came here to perform in front of you guys for me. So everybody give Colette Bandana a round of applause!